In this video, I'll guide you through how you can sign out from your WhatsApp account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp app and tap on this third icon. Then click on Settings. Then scroll down. Then you'll find No Sign Out option. And if you want to go to the account section, then you'll find there are no sign out option. The only option is after Delete Account. To sign out from your WhatsApp account, you have two different ways. First one is clear your app data. Let's go with the first one. First, find your WhatsApp app and long press on it. Then you will see this kind of option appear and click on App Info and then Storage and Cache. Now you click on Clear Storage. Then your WhatsApp account will be signed out. Let's go with the second option. After opening your WhatsApp app, you click on the third icon and then Settings. Now Accounts and click on Add Account. Then your WhatsApp account will be signed out. By following this tutorial, you can easily sign out from your WhatsApp account.